How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can multi-select in Geometry Dash. Now, it's going to be the same thing for your mobile devices and computer. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the create, head over to the level that you want to multi-select. And then inside this page, it's going to be extremely simple. Just make sure that the swipe option is disabled, and then you want to hold shift on your keyboard, which will then look something like this. And you also have to make sure that the free move is disabled also. And then after holding or after navigating through the edit button, because if you actually hold shift on the build option itself, it will just go ahead and simply build over our objects right here. So head over to edit, hold shift, and then you can just drag your mouse over. And then that's basically how you multi-select in Geometry Dash. For mobile devices, you will be able to see that right here. And you can also try holding down the button for your screen, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.